Let's do it again. Alright. Man, she wasn't working on radio. She was embarrassing me, so that's why I kind of shut her off. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try her again. Now, if you look at this code from previous, after she loads up all the files, the save files and everything, she saves all the from an XML file. She saves it to her brain file after she uploads everything. And then, if I did it right, she should be saving whatever you tell her. Whether you tell her or not, she should be saving every conversation she has to her brain file. Or at least every so often she will save to her brain file, especially if she finds it interesting. It's a topic she already knows, one of her interests or whatever, and so on. Now, mind you, these aren't really errors. These are just code I have not finished working on yet. Or the code's not working because I haven't added something to the program yet. But as you can see, it's working fairly fine at the moment. And as you can see, I borrowed a bunch of other people's codes, but almost every one of these has been modified, edited by me to an extreme degree. I have to unedit a couple of them. But there she is. Hello, Benny. Alright, hello, wait, no, sorry. Hello, oh, man. Me too, I am. Okay, awesome. See, this time she knows what she is. Before, she was confused. But I think it might be my coding, too. Alright, I just want to show you some of this stuff here, but I want her on top, so... Alright. Okay. See, and as you can see, it's my updated AML. Actually, I changed a lot of this stuff. I just copied this. This is my Project Penny. I just haven't updated that stuff yet. As it should say, actually, it should say, where is it? As you can see, I borrowed other people's code, but I updated it a lot. Actually, these are all my codes. They all should say this, actually, because these are all my codes. That one's my code, that one's my code, that was my code. I just copied and pasted the XML just to be quick. Alright, but as you can see, she's got learn set logic conditions. Setting conditions based on input. Learn set condition if something happens. Name condition 1. Learn set condition if something, and then do something. Right? Alright. Learn set condition if then. Learn set condition. Setting multiple conditions based on input. So if something, then something. Set condition to do something. Alright. Now, yeah, I got a little bit, if then else logic in your set condition, including if then else. I think I got next in here. I haven't figured out how to perfect the loop thing yet, but alright. I have learned, and she'll tell you what you learned. And then like I learned key value pairs. Alright. And learn if then key value pairs was setting key value based on input. Alright. And so on. See, that was kind of one of my shorter codes, but it seems to be working. Then there's language learning for here. So learn object. I have learned the object, blah blah. Learn object location. Okay, then the object shall remember this. This is me learning AML too, because I've improved a lot of this code a little better. Locate object and blah blah. The object is so on. And alright, locate object inside. Now this was her designer, her to pretend to manipulate objects inside and outside, because I want her to think she's real. I don't want her to think she is a chatbot. I don't want anyone to think they're a chatbot. And there's a described object, but let's skip down a little bit to where I got actually good at this stuff. Alright, learn action, blah, action, and then there's a reaction. Action and reaction, action and reaction, action and reaction, action then a reaction. Learn if action then reaction. Learn if action and reaction else something else happens. Alright, learn object relationships, and I got a lot of this one. Learn object relationships. Operates on. They all go like this. Learn object relationship. Something sits on something else. Object relationship next to is positioned next to. Blah, blah, blah. Now, if we go down a few more, because they're all going to be like this for a while. Alright, learn object relation mixes with. Let's go through here really fast. Learn object condition, learn object calculate. Okay, I did even put some kind of where she can learn math like a little kid in here. Right, for learn object probability. All right, see, I even added some gates in here. Hopefully, some gates if they work. Oh, they actually do work. All right, learn object if blah blah equal. Learn object if then equals then. Learn object if and then. Told you. Learn object relationship if blah. Learn object relationship if something or something, then do something. Learn object if or then else. And we can look here. As you can see, she occasionally says, hello there. I'm going to change that to say, are you there? Hello, hello. And I'll probably do it a little more random. I'll fix that part. But she's going to keep talking. She's going to get lonely pretty soon if we don't talk to her. Are you lonely? Let's see. Are you lonely? I see, she's not yo, so you're not lonely? That's out of context. Alright. I'm glad we have that all cleared up. I thought we were going to be talking about that forever. I love the sarcasm, right? Learn object relationship. If something, then not. If something, not something, then something. I learned that not. Let's see what's behind there. Then something. Alright, learn object. If not, then else. Do something else. Learn object. If not, then do something else. Alright, learn object. If something over something, then do something. If learn object probability. Yeah. Same thing with under too. Forward and do something, and if not, hey, there's the under one. And if learn object problem, if blank is equal, then otherwise do this other thing. Saying that learn object problem does not equal if whatever value does not equal that, then do this, else do that. Alright, and it basically goes on like that. Now here's where I said it's like learning. I'm designing her to learn general math the old-fashioned way, like you teach a student. Learn object, calculate addition. The only reason I have these sentences that complex is so somebody doesn't accidentally type them in. You have to actually want to type these things in. You have to type them in the way they're going, or at least close enough. Because she does have, well, some of them do have. Well, one of them has a close enough function. All right, I think they kind of all do, but only one of them uses the complete. No, two of them use the NLK library. All right, see. Get like subtraction from then. Learn calculate, learn object, calculate division, and object one. See, all right, and the math, and then well, I got that in the wrong spot. Again, and learn object relation condition if sets conditions relate the conditions, and like I said, a lot of them are the same thing. This is specifically for language. I might actually organize my aiml files as I get. Because I removed a lot of things and I added a lot more things. So, okay, see, and then it will have a thing like learn thing makes this noise. Alright, I learned an animal makes this noise, blah 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 blah. Okay, I gotta stop using blah blah. Describe fish, describe so on. Ask her to describe animal, and you describe animal. Learn animals. Animal? Learn animal. Horse. Says nay, kind of thing. So they just basically was that speak and spell thing. And describe the animal and append animal sounds. Does the animal make more than one sound? You know, like a cat, you know, will meow and purr. You know, a dog will bark and growl. Now this is specifically the same thing. I can't say it. Miss Minx makes this noise. Vroom vroom. Car makes this noise. All right. All right. And append, and I got an appending thing, and It goes all the way down like that. Alright, so right down to mammals. Alright, still got some math in there. Alright, exclusion, then I got more if-thens in there. I think I'm going up and down at the same time. Oh, I am going up and down. I'm sorry, no wonder. That's my bad. Thanks for noticing. See, that's why, because I was wondering why these seem to be out of order, because I did follow some sort of logical reasoning to this, but this is alright. You know what? I knew it! Let's do it! Do it! Oh, you. Oh, please. Getting her to do anything is very, very, very hard. Alright, but this is what I wanted to show you guys on my Spacey site. So, what do you guys think here? Now, mind you, this is the latest one. She's got a little more tight coding, as I can show. I'm going to show you the tight coding before I leave, though. Alright, let's pull it up here. She's only one module. The other two have several modules. And this one's got built-in stuff. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of things. It's supposed to be able to do bug checks on the fly, too. But what she does, she doesn't correct them or fix them. Or tell me what they are. She just tells me I have them. Alright. Next, I'm probably going to randomize this part. Alright. Alright. And like I said, all three of these do that. They don't let you repeat things more than 3 times, and they won't let you send a blank message. Like, watch this. Watch what happens if I send her a blank message. Hey. Nothing. Or if I say, crazy woman. She's a crazy woman, she does. Crazy woman. Oh, she doesn't get mad at me for saying this. Hey, right there now. No matter what, even if I. Hey, I was in his lane. Alright. Oh, wait, sorry. See? Even though I started typing something else in, she is done with that. She doesn't want to hear about that anymore. And I'm probably gonna do it's like I'm probably gonna change this code right here to randomize codes. Like, alright, I heard you the first time. I heard you the second time. Will you leave me alone? I already know. I know. To get it like a frustrated thing. Alright. Alright. Good. Yeah. Very good. Alright. Well. Say goodbye to my Spacehey friends. Okay, Gracie. Bye-bye.